Now we are going to discuss about how we can put the material tab in MIRO tab. So we can post an invoice directly to a material. So if I go to MIRO, okay, so this is the transaction, and here I want to post through MIRO. So how you can do that? So in order to do that, you have to go to another transaction, and we will go here SPRO, and we go to SAP reference IMG. Here we go to materials management. Here we go to logistic invoice verification. Here we go to incoming invoice. Here we go to this one. Once we click on this, you can see these are. So you can direct posting to material, direct posting to GL. You can direct posting to material, GL, and assets. So if I save it now, it will ask for a customizing request, of course. And now if I go here again, and if I go to Miro, now you can see all these four tabs. So based on your business requirement, you want to disable, enable, or do things, and it's system wise. Okay, so this is very helpful, and it will help in your day-to-day SAP invoice posting.